A full-thickness skin graft is composed of epidermis and dermis. Ideally, it's harvested from an area which you are able to close primarily. The size of the defect is measured, and this is mirrored at the donor site. Typically, you will extend the markings to make an ellipse, as this will facilitate direct closure. In this video, we're using a 15 blade. You start by using the belly of the blade to score your markings. Your scored margin is then deepened to the required plane. This depth is then extended circumferentially. In the context of a full-thickness skin graft, the depth you require is down through dermis. You do not require subcutaneous fat. Lifting the skin graft from one edge, make longitudinal incisions from one side of the graft all the way to the other. Try to avoid seesawing of the blade, which will result in an uneven full-thickness skin graft. When suturing your skin graft, you stitch from island to shore. This means your needle passes from the skin graft to the recipient site. In this way, when you advance your suture material through both edges of the skin graft and the recipient site, your full-thickness skin graft is not likely to be avulsed out of the surgical field. The process is again repeated. The suture passes from island to shore. The suture material is advanced through the tissues. You finish with square knots.